Alright, good afternoon class. Today we're going to be learning about the product rule. And if you can see right here, the book definition for product rule is if f of x equals uv, then f prime of x equals u, the y to x plus v, the y to x. And I know what you guys are thinking, what the heck is that? Well, let me explain it to you guys, alright? So in the previous lessons we learned that the y to x actually is a fancy way of just saying prime. So you don't really have to pay attention to that. And the formula you're going to want to use is this one right here. It's the most simple one. It's uv prime plus vu prime. Alright, so this is going to be the first example I want you guys to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is differentiate what u and v is. So this is going to be u, and this is going to be v. So let's just write on the side. U equals x to the fifth plus x plus 7, u prime, so we have to find the derivative of this, so that would be 5x to the 4th plus, when there's an x, that means that it turns into a 1, and then when there's just a number, that's 0, so we could just leave that out. So this is u prime, and then v would be 2x squared plus x squared plus 1, and then v prime, find the derivative, so then it would be 4x plus 2x, and that's it. Alright, so now we have to use this formula right here, the uv prime plus vu prime, so let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is multiply u by v prime, so this is u, and then v prime makes it easier right here, so all we have to do is copy it. And then, so what you're going to do is you're going to want to FOIL it, so multiply the two variables together, so it's going to be so this is what u v prime is this. So now we have to find what v u prime is, alright? Alright, so now we're going to have to multiply v times u prime. So what we want to do is multiply what's in here by what's in here. So then this would be
10x to the 6 plus 2x squared, and then 5x to the 6 plus x squared, and then 5x to the 4th plus 1.
Alright, so now we're going to have to add uv prime plus vu prime because that's what the formula says to do. Alright, so now we're going to have to combine like terms. And the way I do it is by combining the terms that have the same the same exponent. So, okay, let's do this.
Alright, so 4, 2, 10, 5, they have x to the 6 powers, so you combine them. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 10 is 16, 16 plus 5, that's 21.
So, 21, alright. So, 21x to the 6, that's our first number. So, I like crossing them out because you just get them out the way. Now we have to find the next biggest exponent, it's 5x to the 4th, and it's by itself. So it doesn't go with anything, so just cross that out, and it's right there right here. And then the next one is squared, x squared.
So then we have one right here. So 4x squared, 2x squared, 2x squared, and x squared. So 2x squared plus x squared, that's 3x squared. 3x squared plus 2x squared, that's 5x squared. Plus 4x squared, that's
9x squared, so that's plus 9x squared. And then we cross them out just to get it out. And then, now we have just these two with just the x, so 20 plus 14, good job, 34. Okay, so that's 34x, then we cross them out, and now our only number left is this little 1 in the end, okay? So with this little 1 in the end, we just put it right here, and now we just make sure we got everything out. Looks good to me. Okay, so we just circle our answer, and this is what the answer is. Alright, so this is the first example I want you guys to do.
Christian, can you help me out? I really don't get what's going on.
Pamela, it's simple. I'll show you. Well, Mr. Peralta, it's simple. It's a simple equation. You see, we have 2x cubed plus 3 times x cubed plus 2x. So basically, we use this equation right here. This equation right here. Okay, and we can make a little list, you know, to make it easier for our classmates.
we have u prime, v prime. And then now we're just going to
Table them. Simple. U would be 2x to the second power plus 3. And then u prime would be 4x just 4x. So basically what I did here, if you don't know, I did 2 times 2, which is 4, and then the exponent I just subtracted by 1. So it would be 1, but that would be silly, right? So I'm just gonna take it off. And then here is just a constant number, so it would be 0, but let's just not put that, okay? Now we move on to the v's. As you can see here, v is x cubed plus 2x. And then v prime, right, would be 3x to the second power plus 2. Simple. Now we're going to move on to the math part of the section. So basically I'm going to take this equation and I'm just going to plug in the values.
So u would be 2x to the second power plus 3. And you multiply that by v prime, which is 3x to the second power plus 2. And then we add that with v, which is x cubed plus 3 plus 2x. Okay? And then times u prime, which is just 4x.
Easy. So now we're going to multiply u and v prime. So if you do multiply this correctly, you should get the answer of
6x to the fourth power plus 4x to the second power plus 9x squared plus 6.
So now we're going to multiply v times u prime. So
X cubed times 4x is going to give you 4x to the fourth power plus 2x times 4x will give you 8x to the second power.
and what I like to do is I like to circle or put squares on things that match.
X to the fourth power. Then we have 4x to the second power, I'm going to square that. Then we have 9x to the second power, square that too. And we have 8x squared, I'm going to square that too. And then we have 6 here, which is a triangle. So now all we have to do is just combine. So now 6x to the fourth power plus 4x to the fourth power is going to give you 10x to the fourth power plus, now we use the squares, 4x to the second power plus 9x to the second power is going to give you 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? And then 13 plus 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21x to the second power. And then all we're missing is 6 plus 6.
So once we've combined all the like terms, this is what you should get as your total answer. We're going to circle that in right here. Easy money.